Well, Johnny Depp won $10 million in his defamation trial with ex-wife Amber Heard. He spent a large chunk of it celebrating with a curry in Birmingham, reportedly racking up an incredible bill of £50,000. Well, I'm joined now by the owner of Varanasi restaurant, Mohammed Hussain. Well, good evening to you. You don't look that cheerful, but if Johnny Depp had dropped 50 grand in my restaurant, I'd be thrilled.
Hi, good evening, Piers Morgan. Yeah, we were very excited to have Johnny Depp in our restaurant, but there are a lot of rumours going around at the moment in respect to how much he actually spent in the restaurant, and it's an unconfirmed amount because we haven't actually disclosed anything as of yet.
But you, I understand, had quite a long chat with Johnny Depp, but mainly about his movie career, is that right?
We were just discussing his day-to-day life at the moment and how he's enjoying Birmingham, what he likes to eat, and we were just delighted to have him in our restaurant in Birmingham city centre. It's quite unheard of to have an A-lister being around, especially on Broad Street in Birmingham.
And I understand you've got 3 daughters who are massive fans of Johnny Depp, and he did some one-liners for them, is that right, from his Pirates of the Caribbean and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory?
So yes, I had the privilege of inviting my daughters to be present while he was here, and one of the things that they really requested from him was to do some one-liners from the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, a movie that he did, and he did that for them, and they were over the moon about it.
I mean, I'd imagine he was in celebratory mood. I know he didn't discuss the case with him, but what kind of guy is Johnny Depp? I've never met him. You've had the chance to spend this extraordinary night with him in your restaurant. What was he like?
He's a very chilled out guy. He spoke to everybody here. I had friends, I had families who were in the restaurant, and he made an effort to speak to every one of them. He hugged them, he kissed them, and he was very accommodating to everybody's requests. He spent a lot of time with me personally in my office, and he just sat in there and he just spoke to me one-to-one, and it was a really nice experience in itself.
When you got the call from Depp's security team to make the booking for the whole place, presumably you then had to let down some other customers. How did you do that?
We had our ways of ensuring that we didn't upset any of our guests, and we could accommodate his requests. The restaurant is very large, so even when he did come in here, there might have been a few people here, but by the time he started eating, everybody had left.
Well, Mohammed, and it's not often, is it, that you get a Hollywood superstar comes in and books the whole place out? I understand you did more business from that one night than you normally do with 400 diners, so I'd imagine you would like to say a heartfelt thank you to Mr. Depp and his team.
Yes, of course. Any restaurant that can generate that sort of income on any given night is a large amount of money to be spent while somebody is dining with you.
Well, congratulations. It was a great bit of fun.